Hello everyone and welcome to Redona Designs, and in this video we are going to look at how we can merge two parts in an assembly into one part. So with me I have the first part, so we're going to first make an assembly from the part, and we're going to take the knob base as our first part. After that we insert the knob, and then we have to mate them together. So I'm going to take this face, the flat face, and select on the mate, select flat face on the knob base, and then take that cylindrical face and this cylindrical face, make them concentric, and then to define it fully we're going to take that face and we're going to make it parallel to our right plane. That's okay. So say for example you have these two parts and you'd want to merge them into one single part. So how you go about it is you go to the insert components and create a new part inside the assembly. So it's called this part 2, and then select on it, right click it and edit. So there is a command here called the join command, and once you select that join command you can select the first part, which is our knob, and the second part, which is our knob base, and then click on OK. So by doing so you've created a new part that is now an addition of the two parts, or a combination of the two parts. And to see this clearly, this is a totally new part, and to see this clearly you can open the part and you can see from the feature manager tree that this is a single body, and from here you can do whatever you want with the part. You can modify it further, but the main advantage of using this method is this, is that I can go back to the parent part, and let's say for example I want to modify, say increase the number of cutouts, the circular pattern. Let's increase them to say from 4 to around 6 and click on OK. So if you go back to the assembly, if you go back to the part and refresh, you can see it has been translated. So in case you have a problem that might require this kind of approach, you can use this approach to solve some of the problem, or in case you learned something you didn't know about it, now you know, and I hope you've learned something. So check out our next videos are going to be coming. I implore you to please subscribe and hit the notification button to give you an update when we post our new videos. So thank you for being with me in this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.